Fishing, it's my job, but it's also my passion. I grew up here. I've hunted, fished here my whole life. Always was outside, always enjoyed the outside, and it's no better place to be here. Our tribe alone has about 13 miles of shoreline that connects with Lake Superior, the biggest freshwater lake in the U.S., so why not enjoy being here, you know? It's a beautiful place. We are the #1 hatchery on Lake Superior that produces the majority of the walleye for Lake Superior. We tend to do a little bit above average and better than most state fish hatcheries. We kind of focus on tribal fish hatcheries and tribal enterprises.
Our tribe ID, so Bad River, and then this fish's number is 1624. And swim off. Now, hopefully, when we catch that fish in a couple of years, we'll see that it's grown some and contribute more to the population. Currently, we do walleye and yellow perch. Walleye is like our big fish. We produce close to, on average, 8 million fry.
Not only does our tribal fish hatchery fish here, our tribal harvesters fish here also. And they count on that to feed their families, you know, that every year spawn, and they know, hey, it's time to go get some walleyes and harvest them for, you know, our families and elders and people that need them, so.
And a lot of people will fish year round on Bad River. Anybody comes out to ask you for fish, I'd say, oh yeah, sure, I got some. You got to share, you know.
All the fishermen throughout the whole area probably enjoy having this hatchery here because they know what we do, and we restock and reproduce those fish for not only our tribal water systems, but for all of Lake Superior.
It's more the tradition of we're taking, so we're giving back. And ensuring that there will be fish for the future generations.
It's fish for the future, for the next generation that's coming across here.
The 7th generation concept is thinking 7 generations ahead. So don't just think about what your kids will have, think about your great grandkids will have. It's thinking to the future, not thinking about just the present.
This river here is known for walleye spawning for years and years and years and years, so it's nothing new to the people that live here. And it's a reoccurring thing every year, and everyone on the whole tribe, they look forward to it.
The walleye that you're catching in Ashland, those likely came from here, like a good portion of them. One walleye. Ashland County as a whole is a great place to fish because you have access to Lake Superior, but then you also have these river systems that are coming from the lake, and then you also have the inland lakes where you can easily catch your panfish, or you can go muskie fishing down by Mellon and Marengo area. And whether you're a shore fisher, you have a boat, you have a kayak, stand-up paddleboard. I've seen people fish on so many different things out here. Like, bring what you got and just run with it. It's a place that I feel like has endless opportunities for those that are looking for it.
The fish are constantly coming in and out of these islands. I mean, even with the pressure they get commercially and sport fishermen, it's just a little dot if you look on a map. I mean, the Apostle Islands, if there's Lake Superior, the Apostle Islands are just my fingertip. And that's really where I think they say 93% of the fish are taken out of because it's such deep water everywhere. So then fish are just constantly flowing in the islands, and it's always pretty good. I mean, you'll see today, I hope, but There's I can count 2 days in 12 years I didn't catch fish. Easy, easy girl, easy girl. Nice. That's a nice trout. That's about 12, 14 pounds. That is getting to be a really nice fish.
Protecting our natural resources is huge. I mean, not only is it the lumber that builds our houses, but it's the food that sustains us and the people around us and the people that are coming next.
We've always lived off the land, and we've always counted on the land to give us good things, so we try to protect it the best we can.